Good morning, all of you. My name is Shraddha Olympiad School. I am studying third B class. Today I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Saturday and today's date is 8 February 2025. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Dhanasri Bharatnagure. I am studying in 3rd A class. Today I am going to tell you today's thought for the day. Today's thought for the day is music is not just sound but an emotion that touches the soul. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Bhavya Amitaima.
My name is Aryan Amar Saunke from class 4th B.
Good morning everyone. My name is Arwa Malgope from class 4th B.
Good morning everyone. My name is Yash Shrikant Kabra from 4th B class.
Aryan, who was Jagjit Singh?
Jagjit Singh was a prominent Indian ghazal and film playback singer. He was born in Sri Ganganagar, Rajasthan. Initial struggles and passion for music. Rise to fame breakthrough album, the unforgettable 1976 unique blend of classical and modern music. Bhavya, what are the famous albums of Jagjit Singh?
Mirha Shraddha, Be On Time, A Sound Affair, The Inspirations on Modern Ghazals Singers. His music continues to inspire millions.
Aro, what are his awards?
He got Padma Bhushan Award in 2003, Sahitya Academy Award, many Filmfare and national awards. Yes. What was his social contribution?
Support for underprivileged children education. Ghazali with a social message.
I am Nirjara Shwanmali. I am studying in 4th B class.
I am Anvita Amri Shelaza from 4th B class.
We at Shraddha Olympiad School want to emphasize on that preserving culture, heritage, information from legends, music as an emotional healer, promoting creativity and expression, integrating music in education.
Music has the power to heal and exile. Let's cherish and celebrate legends like Jagjit Singh. Keep the love for ghazals alive. Thank you.